Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I got a 2014 E350. It's a passenger van, and it's got a 5.4 liter in it. It's got 330,000 miles on it. So the customer brought it in, and their complaint is that it's in limp mode, or it won't go over 25 miles an hour. They don't know the difference. So I just got in it now. It was actually sitting in the shop over the weekend. So I just scanned it for codes, and I got two codes. I got a PO13A O2 sensor slow response, rich to lean, bank 1 and sensor 2. Then I have a PO219 engine overspeed. Let me show you. So usually with an engine overspeed, that means the transmission's not shifting. So the PCM is also the TCM on this thing. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to take it for a ride. Let me start it up. I don't even know if it's got a check engine light. I know it doesn't. So what we're going to do is we are going to take it for a ride, and let's see what it does. I got a funny feeling. Engine overspeed. Something's broken internally in the transmission. But let's take it for a ride first and see what it does. Okay, I can tell you this. Got an internal tranny problem. First gear, second gear. Second gear. Climbing a little bit of a hill here. Neutral. It's got first, second, neutral. So it's only got the first two gears. I've run into this several times. It's got a come on, go. I've run into this several times, many times. There's something that internally breaks in the transmission, so it's an internal failure. There's no point in even checking the fluid, because it wouldn't go forward, wouldn't go reverse, anything else like that if it was a fluid problem. This is a mechanical failure. I just know this from experience, and judging by that code of an engine overspeed, something has failed internally in the transmission. Whether a clutch pack burned up or whatever, there's a shaft inside the transmission that does break. I got the window open. Didn't realize that. There's a shaft inside the transmission that breaks and can cause this exact problem. Don't know what it is till we get it apart. And not sure, with 330,000 miles on it, if the transmission is original, we're probably just going to do a replacement. So, all right, that's going to end this video. So that was a quick, short video. Sorry about that. If you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.